Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures where creativity knows no bounds. I am Rosie, your guide on this artistic journey. Today we are going to capture the magic of light and life in a stunning drawing of a light lamp with butterflies flying in its warm glow. Let's start by sketching the lamp's soft curves and delicate details. Notice how the light dances across its surface, inviting the butterflies to flutter around it. Remember, the key to capturing light is to use gentle, sweeping strokes and soft shading. And don't worry if your butterflies are not perfect, it's their delicate imperfections that make them beautiful. I love how art can transport us to a world of wonder and enchantment. What's your favorite subject to draw or paint? Share with me in the comments below. Let's chase the light and capture its beauty in our art. The world is full of wonder, and art is our way of expressing it. Creativity is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and have fun. Art is a way to spread joy and inspiration. Let's share it with the world. And there we have it. Our light lamp with butterflies is complete. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art tutorials and creative exploration. Until next time, keep shining and creating. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure.